First testing, using pink noise generated from RAM. Still got to do a few balance level adjustments to everything, and figure out where that other leads go into. Seems okay, let's have a listen. It's okay. Of course, the other channel's got to be connected up. Yeah, that's working there. That's got to be connected up, and I've got to connect that up. And do a few other checks. Okay. So for the moment, I'll just put it in. Just put it in that mode. I've got a bit of a ground hum there. It's typical. I'll figure that one out. Probably maybe might be the power supplies are too close, or put one of those isolators on it, one of those transformer isolators. That might cure it. Typical, yeah. That's typical transformer on the. That I can solve. Okay.